Hallo Freunde, willkommen zu einem neuen Lernvideo. Are you learning German at A1 level? Do you want to expand your vocabulary and speak more fluently? Then you are in the right place. Today, we will learn 66 essential adjectives in German with their meaning. So, grab your notebook and let's get started. Good. Good, good, good. Neuer, new, neuer, new. Alt, old, alt, old. Lang, long, lang, long. Kurz, short, kurz, short. Gross, big or tall. Gross, big or tall. Klein, small. Klein, small. Schwer, heavy, heavy or difficult. Schwer, heavy or difficult. Leicht, light or easy. Leicht, light or easy. Wichtig or wichtig, important. Wichtig oder wichtig, important. Richtig oder richtig, correct or right. Richtig, correct or right. False, wrong. False, wrong. Schnell, fast. Schnell, fast. Langsam, slow. Langsam, slow. Teuer, expensive. Teuer, expensive. Billig, cheap. Billig, cheap. Laut, loud. Laut, loud. Leise, quiet. Leise, quiet. Müde, tired. Müde, tired. Heiß, hot. Heiß, hot. Ordentlich, tidy or orderly. Ordentlich, tidy or orderly. Schön, beautiful. Schön, beautiful. Hässlich, ugly. Hässlich, ugly. Praktisch, practical. Praktisch, practical. Günstig, affordable. Günstig, affordable. Höflich, polite. Höflich, polite. Spät, late. Spät, late. Interessant, interesting. Interessant, interesting. Langweilig, boring. Langweilig, boring. Gemütlich, cozy or comfortable. Gemütlich, cozy or comfortable. Leer, empty. Leer, empty. Kaputt, broken. Kaputt, broken. Lustig, funny. Lustig, funny. Seltsam, strange. Seltsam, strange. Sicher, safe or sure. Sicher, safe or sure. Sicher. Dumm, stupid. Dumm, stupid. Gesund, healthy. Gesund, healthy. Krank, sick. Krank, sick. freundlich, friendly, freundlich, friendly. Glücklich, happy, glücklich, happy. Dick, fat, dick, fat. Dünn, thin, dünn, thin. Schlank, slim, schlank, slim. Schmutzig, schmutzig, dirty, schmutzig, dirty. Erlaubt, allowed, erlaubt, allowed, erlaubt, allowed. Verboten, forbidden, verboten, forbidden, verboten, forbidden. Tall, great, tall, great. Klug, smart or intelligent, klug, smart or intelligent. Neblig, foggy, neblig, foggy. Sonnig, sunny, sonnig, sunny. Windig, windy, windig, windy. Warm, 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 warm. Cool, 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 cool. Zufrieden, satisfied, zufrieden, satisfied. Fröhlich, cheerful, fröhlich, cheerful. Sympathisch, sympathisch, likable, friendly or nice. Sympathisch, likable, friendly or nice. Traurig, sad, traurig, sad. Oder traurig. Sauber, clean, sauber, clean. Kalt, cold, kalt, cold. Modern, 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 modern. Super, super or great, super, super or great. Komisch, funny, strange. Komisch, funny, strange. Hübsch, pretty, hübsch, pretty, hübsch, pretty. Glatt, smooth, glatt, smooth. Hoch, high or tall, hoch, high or tall. So that's all 66 adjectives in German. I hope you understand my pronunciation. Even though if you don't understand, I am sorry for that. So now it's your turn. Try using these adjectives in a sentence and comment below. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe for more learning videos. See you next time. Bis bald.